hopefully he'll be back for event number 2. Okay, James.
Me.
Okay, we're officially completed one whole lap. We're scheduled for 12. Car number 7, Larry Vaders in your lead car, and 00, Eddie Sampson. And away we go!
He can go, man. Look at him.
Larry Vaders up in front. Qualifier. Larry Vaders.
He's giving her. Look at this. Got him. Got him. Shove him in the way. Gotta shove him. There you go. Gotta shove him in the way. Flat tire. Uh-oh, look at this. Okay. Trying to wipe him out real quick. You got it, huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, car number 7, Larry Vaders, your unofficial race winner. This is the first trip to the winner's circuit for Larry, and I don't know, kids, I think you're going to be disappointed. I don't think you get a trophy this race, the first one. He's starting his collection from now on. Car number 7 is sponsored by Eats a Pizza, Brad's AZ Auto